why the NOVATECH Titan Pro RTX 5060 gaming PC is the best bang for your buck in 2025. Ever feel stuck in tech limbo, where your old PC drags your gaming and workflow down? Frustration piles up as you wait forever for apps to load or games to stutter. Overwhelmed by constant crashes, freezing screens, or clunky multitasking, your motivation takes a nosedive. When your gear keeps you from shining, it's not just annoying, it's soul-crushing. If you've wasted hours battling unreliable setups, you know that pain all too well. It's time for a change that actually delivers and lets you focus on what you love. Deadlines loom like bosses in a final fight. Stress skyrockets, and burnout creeps in. You miss epic moments in games, struggle through lagging streams, or can't keep up with content creation demands. That creeping dread of not enough power crushes creativity and kills your vibe. Watching others level up while you're stuck buffering? Ouch. It's the kind of pressure that makes you question why you even bother, until the right gear shows up and flips the script completely. Meet the NOVATECH Titan Pro, the pre-built powerhouse designed to blast through your gaming and productivity woes. Featuring the NVIDIA RTX 5060 GPU, Ryzen 5 CPU clocked up to 4.2 GHz, and a whopping 32 GB DDR4 RAM. This beast handles 1080p and 4K gaming like a champ. The speedy 1TB M.2 SSD means no more waiting for load screens, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep your setup sleek and wireless. Factory assembled and Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, this rig is plug-and-play magic. RGB mid-tower case adds that epic gamer vibe. Backed by a 1-year warranty and stellar customer support, Titan Pro is ready to dominate your gaming desk. Curious why gamers and reviewers alike hype the NOVATECH Titan Pro? Because it's the sweet spot where performance meets value with zero compromise. Users rave about its seamless multitasking, buttery smooth gameplay on AAA titles like Apex Legends, CS2, and Elden Ring, plus stunning 4K streaming potential. The RTX 5060's ray tracing and DLSS 4 support deliver jaw-dropping visuals without tanking frame rates. Ryzen 5's power ensures lightning-fast response times, while 32 GB RAM and the 1TB SSD keep everything running like a dream. The RGB lighting and sleek chassis turn heads, too. Reviews score at 4.9 out of 5 for affordability and speedy delivery. One happy user says, super smooth and fast out of the box. Best value I've seen. Ready to level up your rig? Don't wait for lag and crashes to ruin another session. Grab your NOVATECH Titan Pro today. Limited stock means you gotta act fast to join thousands of gamers already crushing it with this pre-built beast. Whether you're upgrading or diving into PC gaming for the first time, Titan Pro delivers high-end performance without breaking your wallet. Secure yours now and unleash unbeatable power, stunning visuals, and effortless speed. Trust the experts and gamers who swear by it. Hit that Buy Now button and dominate your games like a pro.